Is it coming okay? What is मिलिए झूलिए? So friends,
Hello,
here I
ma'am. How
am.
are you? This is Ritu here.
Ritu. Ritu dear. Let's see who all joins.
Namaste ji.
All of you. Namaskar to all of you. All my dear friends. And all my darlings. Chalo, this is Greenhouse, Kolkata. Greenhouse, Kolkata, calling you all. Namaste ji. And who else?
People say watching, but they are not.
Yes, you have to comment, dear friends. How do I come to know that you are watching? Come on, friends, join, please. Join and speak to me. সবাই দেখবে চুপচাপ।
Sushmita Paul is watching.
Shushmita is a dear one. You've commented. I'm so happy. Please, fatafat. I want all your highs and likes and loves and whatnot. Kya kya hota hai? Please keep on doing it for me at least.
Madhavi Sheel is watching.
Madhavi is Seal. Happy for you all. You made me happy. আজকে কি আমি সময় মতো এসে গেছি বলে people are thinking maybe she'll come late.
Today also it's late.
It's late. That is bad. That's really bad. But I was ready on time. You took. Oh, he came and sat. He took some time. Okay. Friends,
Sari
please
is
join.
Very beautiful. Can't decide whether you are beautiful or your sari is.
My sari always. देखो देखो क्या सुंदरता से भरपूर है. These are shiboris, which are treasures in greenhouse. Friends, you need to comment, please. Otherwise, I'm getting late. Unless I see somebody. Audio visual is clear. আসছে না কেন আজকে এত?
Anjali Sarkar is watching. Riddhi Nair is watching.
Anjali, Riddhi, thank you, dear friends.
Sandhya, hello madam.
Sandhya.
Chimnilla sir.
So my evergreen cottons this time. And you know, I myself is very fond of wearing cottons. And for this tropical climate, cottons are always my first choice. And I keep on decorating my cottons and stitching sometimes needlework, sometimes machine embroidery. So we start. Yes? I need not. I pleaded, you never commented. So we start. This is Greenhouse, Kolkata. My voice is hoarse. Greenhouse, Kolkata. This is 548 Lake Road, Kolkata 29. And my booking number, WhatsApp booking number, 8981070339. So friends, Aj, I have got to show you lovely things. And they're all oven fresh. Abhi aayi hai after processing. And this is the first one, what I like to show. This is the one. I have shown you before also. And oh, you didn't take out the blouse pieces from the sari. It keep on falling. ये पहले भी दिखाई थी और काफी response था, तो I kept waiting, and now it is in my hand. How do I control myself? ना दिखा के. This is the one on half tussar. This is half tussar, dear friends.
Desi Drip Diaries price.
Price, this is 3950. 3950, dear friends. You just have a look at this. Have a look. It's so stylish. They made it like this.
आपने पहनी वो साड़ी उनकी प्राइस बताइए.
मेरी पहनी हुई साड़ी, I think it is 94 something. 9,000. This is on a gachi tussar. I will do it later on. I'll show you. 9185. 9185. And this is there. This is a block printed one, you know. Can you beat it? Kya sundarta se bharpur. This is on a half tussar. What is half tussar actually? Tussar and cotton woven together. Warp and weft में टाना बाना में तसर है और कॉटन है, तो इट मेक्स अ वेरी गुड, माने फील बहुत अच्छा है साड़ी का, एंड लेस ऑफ मेंटेनेंस. दिस इज द वन ऑन अ, दिस इज गोल्ड printing, gold print, block printed. The leaf design, I made it, I showed you, and there was such a hangama for these saris, so I had to make it. This is the one. It's a lovely piece, very comfortable wear. 3950, and made it in 2 colors also. 1 or 2, I think, no? 3 colors. This is the one, and it is a blouse piece, dear friends. Additional bonanza. There's a blouse piece, 3950. 39. Yes. This is another color. Dakho. Oh, Devjani. All welcome, my friends. I'm so happy. These are all the block printed ones, the block printed on half tussar, the gold print. And ये जो चमक है, it will stay as it is if you care for your saris. You have to maintain the saris well. और आजकल the quality of gold print is improved, so we make them in use. This is like this. A beautiful piece. This is done like this. The archal part, sari's pride portion. And we give you this blouse with the sari. 3950, dear friends. 3950. Here you are. Jam pata. This is the color. Very few has been made, so take it fast if you've liked. These are all on half tussers. These are all on half tussers. This portion is in gold print, gold used. Oh, this is fallen. No, this is the blouse piece with the sari. এটাও দেখুন, এটাও খুব বাহার শাড়িটা, ভীষণ সুন্দর। Look at this. একটু কাছ থেকে দেখাও, the gold print is looking lovely. They look very dressy. काफी रौनक है इस साड़ी में, पहले सुंदर। It will complement your looks also. Always, my sarees complement looks. 39.50 dear. 39 Meena, you have to stand here and fold the sarees. Hold the sarees. 39.50. And here's one more very elaborate design. And ye bhi kafi, this was in demand. What happened?
Samantha is watching.
Pratibha,
Bhaskar is watching.
Jyoti, dekho, look at this. Look at this. Heavily done up. This is the paisley design. This is the Aka Baka Kolka design. Paisley design. This is done on, again, half tusser. Half tusser, I told you, warp and wep में tusser है और उसमें cotton है. So the texture is adorable. मजा आ जाता है. This is the texture. Look at the texture. Very fine texture and less of maintenance. This is the one. Profuse, बहुत volume of work, and ये देखिए, this is the part. The booties are all done up in the second half. It's like this. And the blouse. With the blouse. This is for 4,600, dear friends. 4,600. 4,600 for this half tusser with the blouse. One more. One more is, oh goodness. Even I am forgetting to take the blouses off from the sari. इटा देखो, ये भी बहुत सुंदर है. It is worn for the whole day. It will not get crushed. Half tusser is a very breathable material. Look at this. Kantha with this kind of stripped design. All hand needlework, dear friends. They're all laborious work. And we have given that corner a different look.
Such a lovely sari, ma'am. Asha Bori, material of the sari.
This is half tusser. Asha ji, this half tusser is a very beautiful material from Bengal. इसमें देखिए आप टाना बाना में ना ये जो टसर थ्रेड है and the other side is woven with cotton thread. It makes a very light, breathable material and huggable. बहुत आरामदायक material है. Which one? On half tusser? It is difficult at this stage because this is the season is on, and I think we are done with our cold climate. January it is over. So tropical countries, we need to have more of cottons. All the time we need cottons. These are all hand embroidered, which I love to give you all the time. This is the one.
Price.
ये half half चलती रहती है. This is 4200, dear friends. 4200. মৌসুমী এরা সব দেরিতে এসেছে.
Manjunath cost.
হ্যাঁ কি হ্যাঁ কত? Oh, this is wrongly quoted. Put out. Friends, I have done a blunder. Blunder, friends. My Meena told me they're all, oh, taito, it's a full heavy work. Friends, they're for 6,800. It's going for 6,800. Dutoi kintu 6,800. They are as good as the luxurious items. Difficult to make it. Last time we sold them for 6,800. I had plenty. 6,800, dear friends. With this, we have given a blouse. With this also, we have given a blouse. 6,800. Good, Meena. Thank you so much. There was again a confusion. 6,800 with the blouse. Blouse you've shown. With that purple and pink, we are giving this blouse. Blouse भी अच्छी खासी है. This is a बड़ी वाली blouse है. This is 1 meter. This is a full length blouse. You can make it. And this is on pure cottons. Those who are close by, they can come, they can, but I have to stretch. I'm trying my best to show my दूर के बंधुओं के लिए थोड़ा अच्छी तरह दिखा रही हूँ मैं. I'm taking time.
Indrani, you are so beautiful, though your sari also. Love.
Yes, Indrani. Who Indrani? Again, I have got so many Indranis. I want to know. Shudhu Indrani. अच्छा अच्छा. Shudhu Indrani. आजकल तो where is that blouse is stitched over here? Yeah, this is the one. These are very pretty things.
Mona, hi Gopa ma'am, how are you?
Hello Mona, your things are ready with me. And cottons पहनती हो तो cottons का आज धमाका है. Cottons galore. Look at this.
Leena Prasad is watching. Omkar Roy is watching.
Good, good. Oh, I'm so happy for all of you. But I don't have my that gadget with me. तो इसलिए जो बोल रही है, all of them, I'm grateful to you all. पापा इटा की होएगा लो शरिता? This is the one. Look at this. Another dream. Look at this.
Shaboni Das, hello Gopa.
Shaboni, कौन Shaboni Das? You from কোথা থেকে এখনই যে শ্রাবণী করলো? Anyway, all my warm love to you all. যারা দেখছো, you can make me happy, but unless you speak to me and একটা দুটো comment and little bit of sharing also, I need them now.
Shravani, that's new friend of yours.
Good. Have you subscribed? Please do subscribe, Shaboni. করো এগুলো শাড়িগুলোর খুব বাহার. Keep collecting for your summer days. এই এক মাসটা চুটিয়ে এনজয় করে নাও. Winters in Kolkata. Then again that coming বৈশাখ আসবে.
Already subscribed and share also, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Love you.
Nupur Datta, so beautiful.
ভীষণ সুন্দর শাড়িগুলো হয়েছেই খুব সুন্দর. Look at this. Such a graceful one when you wear it.
Datta is watching.
बोलने ভাল লাগবে. पौरो हिम्मत से पहनिए. एक साड़ी लीजिए from Bengal. They are all very good. They are all on cottons. But you have to manage your cottons. आराम से. You have to take care. Take care of your cottons. Care से पहनिए. Regard your cottons. You can just preserve them. ये तो अपनी हाथों से बनी हुई है तो इसको तो डेलिकेटली पहन नहीं पड़ेगा. এগুলো একটু ডেলিকেটলি পরুন. এগুলো একটু সাবধানে পরুন. এগুলো একটু সুন্দর করে রাখুন. আমি তো চাইবো সেরকমই. So these are for 2200, please. 2250. 2250 with the blouse piece. 2250 with the blouse piece. Yes. This has been done with a special effort. The blouse piece, we are giving 1 meters. 50-50. Yeah. This is 1 meter. This is the one. What a graceful.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, hello. Where were you all? I was just this thing waiting for you all. Jakta, come in.
Anindita Bera is watching.
Look at this. It's so beautiful. Come on, take it fast. And keep for your summers. Save it for your summers. Summers में तो इतना time ही नहीं मिलेगा करने का. Look at this. These are all going for 2200, dear friends. These are all on. Look at the weaving border. Can you make out? একটু কাছ থেকে এসে দেখা. It is strengthen the sari, you know. The weaving थोड़ा रहे तो और भी अच्छी लगती है.
সোনালি আপনি কি সুন্দর লাগছে।
চুপ করো তো, খালি খালি সুন্দর আর সুন্দর। আমার শাড়ি সুন্দর বলো তো, I'll be so happy.
TK is watching, Sushmita Karmakar is watching, Jhuma Bose Sarkar is watching.
Oh, I'm so happy. You're all with me. देखो देखो, simple block printed ones. Block printed ones. Block printed saris on a dhone khali cotton. Don't just wear it and put it in bucket. Don't do that. Keep it for some time. आराम से पहनिए. After ironing करके एक दो बार पहन लीजिए. Then you just give it on a polish. एक दो बार polish करके.
সুন্দর না হলে কি শাড়িগুলো সুন্দর হয়?
হ্যাঁ, এটা তো সুন্দর নয়, তোরা তো সামনে আসছিস না, তোরা আরো কিরকম আজকাল সব মেয়েদেরই খুব সুন্দর, কি সুন্দর লাগে যখন মেকওভার করে আসে, মানে আমাদের তখন মনে হয় আমরা কি রয়ে গেলাম, কি সুন্দর। দেখো, these are the you pick up, এগুলো ভীষণ ভালো, comfortable ones with the blouse piece. 2250. 2250 is the price of the sari. বলি না, good things at good price. একটু সময়ও লাগবে, and we have given a blouse piece. Where is the blouse piece, dear? আচ্ছা, this is the one. She is guiding me. পরপর পরপর বলতে থাকে, আমি তো একটু আনাড়ি আছি. Look at this.
Ajanta Ghosh is watching.
Oh, Ajanta.
Please want to see the fall.
Oh, the pleat. This will crush, you know. Pleat करके दिखाएं. Cotton sarees ना. Acha, in your honor, I'm doing it. Let me have a sip of my this thing, Baba. My throat. Pleat अच्छी आती है, but half tassels are better for you, Mohana. Half tassel ले लो. These are 2250. You know, well, I can pleat it and show you when একটা করে দেখাই. It takes little this thing, but carefully করতে হবে. It's a lovely piece. Let me show it.
Ora Anil, I ma'am, you're looking like my mom.
Oh, I'm so happy. बहुत अच्छी बात है. Good, good.
Jayashree is watching.
शाड़ी देखो. जयश्री गुहा.
Jayashree Irani.
Jayashree Irani. I'm trying hard to make you satisfy. Yeah, somebody has to do up your pleats if you're not very keen. Mane, you can not manage. और बहुत अच्छी बनती है. It's like this. You know, when it falls, somebody has to hold it and pleat it for you. And they're soft enough. They're soft enough. You know, you do it like this. मैं तो खुद अपने आप ही पहन लेती हूँ. आप लोगों को
Nice sarees.
look at this. These are very nice.
Miss Santley, hi ma'am. You are still so young and your presentation is just awesome. I just loved it.
Oh, Baba, what a compliment. I'm happy.
Sunanya Ghosh is watching. Ajanta, I am an old customer. I
Ajanta
came
na?
to your shop also.
হ্যাঁ, অজন্তা এসো. কত মানুষ আমার কাছে আসতো, এত পুরনো
I
জায়গা.
went to your shop. I went to your shop.
Look at this. হ্যাঁ, come over. P548 লেক রোড কলকাতা। আর অজন্তা জিপিএস দিয়ে দেবো, সব তোমরা চলে এসো। দেখো কত সুন্দর শাড়ি, আর কি বাহার, ব্লাউজ টাউজ দিয়ে পরলে ফ্যান্টাস্টিক। আই উইল ডান্স উইথ জয়। আর একটা দেখেছি আমি, whenever you wear a cotton,
Mona, thank you so much. It's like it's manageable.
it is manageable, Mona. Come on, take these things.
Ora Anila, price ma'am, Miss Andri, আমার মা আপনার টলিগঞ্জের শপ থেকে অনেক শাড়ি নিয়েছে।
তাই কে বলছে?
মিস অ্যান্ড্রি।
আচ্ছা, বলো না মাকে আসতে, তোমরা এসো। নেক্সট জেনারেশন ধরা উচিত আমার হাত এসে, তোমরাই তো আমার সাপোর্ট, মাই স্ট্রেংথ।
Hi, I am cooking lunch with phone in one hand. I love watching.
ভালো, দেখো, this is the one simple good things at very comfortable this price for the effort with মানে প্রত্যেকটা জিনিসই তো আলাদা আলাদা করে করা। let me take out, oh these are the few ones, they are very bright and beautiful, somebody took it আবি সকালে মায়ের জন্য নিল একজন। কি সুন্দর শাড়িগুলো, পরে না গরমে হয়তো এতগুলো করে উঠতে পারি না আমরা, गर्मियों में ना इतना हैंड्स टाइट हो जाता है, कर ही नहीं पाती हूँ, तो अभी से पहनिए। and this is a special one, look at this, what a pretty effect ভালো লাগছে না? and this is দেখো,
Ora Anil, please tell the price.
these are all going for
Malti and Raju, make it little faster, ma'am.
24. मैम has gone old, थोड़ा धीरे ही होता है। मैम मेरी जी, मैम can't do run fast now. $22.50 with this kind of border, woven border. Very beautiful, $22.50 dear, মাকে তাড়াতাড়ি করতে বলেছে, ঝটপট ঝটপট। রাজু says, রাজু না কি নাম?
Malti and Raju.
Malti and Raju pairing together, God bless you. দুজনে বসে আছে, হ্যাঁ।
Ora Anil, okay, thank you.
Please compromise with me, I am not that fast, ধীরে ধীরে करती हूँ, और একটু আস্তে আস্তে থাকলে কিছুদিন কাজ করতে পারবো। দেখো এটা দেখো, so উজ্জ্বল শাড়ি।
Shulagna Das is watching.
আচ্ছা, সুলগ্না, lovely thing, oh good, look at this with this blouse, this is a dual border, $22.50 dear friends.
Ila Bhaskar is watching.
What a color, the pink. $22.50 with this bonus blouse, cotton blouse. $22.50 dear friends. जल्दी जल्दी बोलছে করতে, তাড়াতাড়ি কর। I'll just finish up with the cottons today. Cottons, देखिए दाओ, this is the one. Every piece is unique, I feel. Look at this. Somebody who's wanted this beige color.
Malti and Raju, beautiful sarees.
Thank you Malti, thank you Raju. जल्दी जल्दी होती नहीं है मेरे से, और यही कर रही हूँ बहुत, अपने को स्ट्रेच करके, बहुत I put lot of effort. Oof, look at this. पता नहीं कब इतना, क्या एज हो गया, कब हो गया कुछ, I don't know, it has happened. Look at this. Look at this. What a beauty. And with this blouse again. $22.50 dear friends. I'll finishing with this. This is for your Basant Panchami, Saraswati Pujor shari dekhiye dilam. Look at this. This is the one. And actually what I try to, I give time, because lot of my friends, those who are दूर से देख रहे हैं, they are from far away, they have to be shown in a nice way. They are the genuine buyers, so I have to.
Gopa.
Gopa Goin, yes, Love you all, friends. Achha, that's all, and one more. Oh, this has a blouse. Oh, that has a blouse. That's okay. And this is one which is I did
Alpona days watching.
Alpona. এতক্ষণে এলে অনেকক্ষণ থেকে দেখছো।
Where is your Katha? Eagerly waiting.
আজকে কাঁথা দেখাবো না, আজকে দেখাবো না কাঁথা।
Sharmila Ghosh,
Avat-
ma'am, you are evergreen and your sarees are also exclusive.
Liked it? Thank you, thank you. I'm getting so many compliments. Bapre bap. Genuinely. Nice. See, chalo. It is like this. This is the one. This is the one. And the special attraction is this border with katha border. That gives the richness to the sari. This is the one.
Tanya, in your live show.
3,400. Kathas. Okay, I will show you, but not today. I have got good kathas. Friday will show again a katha show ho jayega. This is the one.
Sharmila Bhumik is watching.
3,400, dear friends. 3,400. 3,400. Unless you take it, कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है, अच्छी लग रही है कि नहीं. You have to take one and try out. They're all good ones, but carefully maintain.
Ma'am, Friday I will come once again.
Yes, definitely, I'll show you. Some good kathas I'll show you. 3,400. Friday at 3:30 p.m. Friday at 3:30 p.m. এর সঙ্গে এই ব্লাউজটা। আর কিছু দেখাবো? हल्की सी कुछ साड़ियां दिखाएं। Where is that grey one, Meena? Oh, this is the one. The simple. अच्छा, now the contrast. Now I'll show you something in a light material, very light material. They aren't pure, mind you. Pure नहीं है, but सुंदरता है इसमें, बहुत सुंदर है. And sometimes, माने, you can always use these materials.
Kapila, darling ma'am.
Hello, Kapila. Love to you.
Otanu Rakshit is watching.
অতনু রক্ষিত, ভালো আছো অতনু? গুড খুব ভালো লাগলো।
Kapila, you're so adorable.
You myself, आप लोग भी तो response कर रहे हो. You are doing it so beautifully. You are encouraging. My strength, I'm telling you, all behind me. Everything matters, you know. All my artisans, karigars, you, my friends. Today I am here for you.
Sushmita,
This position, greenhouse, all your effort. Look at this. This is a material collected from this getting the name Pur side.
ma'am,
they-
आपका शो द बेस्ट शो होती है.
हाँ, प्यार से भरपूर है ये शो। देखो, ऐसे कमेंट करो ना तो मैं तो नाचूंगी।
Shobha Shiv Kumar is watching.
Shobha Shiv Kumar. Okay, thank you all. Welcome. And I'm so grateful to you all. I'm obliged. I'm grateful. देखो ये सब, this is all on a good lightweight tussar type of feel. This is not tussar, mind you. Don't complain. Oh, it wasn't like that. They aren't tussar, but they look like tussars. They have that type of texture made and light material hai. Light material hai, and we have done all the craftsmanship with the needle. Needle work kiya hua hai.
Lovely saree. Sunita, lovely saree.
Sunita, look at this. This is the whole sari, the आंचल part. आंचल क्या है साड़ी का? अहंकार है. आंचल is अहंकार of the sari. Look at this. And I want all of you to wear good saris by Open Palla, dear friends. Open Palla se pehniye, and what I say repeatedly, show off your pallas if you can. Look at this. How beautiful. They're all handwork, and here's the blouse piece of the sari. Blouse piece. Dekho, there are two parts, one on this sleeve and one on that sleeve. And the price, which is important.
Yes, it is true that your show is the best. You are a genuine person who feels
40.
everything
Thank you. I'm
about
blessed. I'm blessed. I'm
yourself.
blessed.
Then things like others.
4600, dear friends. 4600.
Vibhav with very elegant price.
4600. 4600. Lovely one. और ये जो कलर है ना, it's a क्या बोलते हैं? It's a very subtle and soothing color. पहनने से भी ना अच्छा लगना चाहिए.
But
It reflects your character.
pretty work, good for gifting also.
Yes. 3600. Meena, hold it. I'll just do it fast. Fast ही तो गए আর fast হতেই পারি না. Look at this. It's another beauty for you all. Beautiful thing, beautiful thing. This is for 4600 again. This is the same material. Material wise, it doesn't have a shine, but झकझक वाला नहीं है. This is a matte finish look. And
ম্যাম আপনি একটু শল দেখাবেন
শল দেখাবো. শলের কালেকশনটা খুব একটা এখনো হয়ে ওঠেনি. আসুক একটু শল.
দীপা নাইস শাড়ি ম্যাম
Thank you, Deepa. Shawl ache. This is for 4800, dear friends. This is for 4800s. With this gicha kind of achal. Achaler kajta dekho. This effect is so good. Look at this.
Sunita Sengar, what's the material?
Material is the what I explained to you. They are mixed something. They're making in that Bhagalpur. It is light to carry. মানে difficult नहीं है. Shall I pleat one sari and show you? আমিও নিজেও use করেছি. And those who are very particular about pure ones and all, they need not take it. I am clarifying it. This is the one. Look. This is the one. This is the blouse part.
Lovely sarees.
But this is this part, this blouse part, which is they look like katha stitches, but they aren't like that. They're all woven. They're woven. Only this part.
Anjali Ghosh Bhattacharya is watching. Anvesha Roy Chaudhary is watching.
Shabai Dakho. Shabai Dakho. I'm so happy. So you made my day. Dakho. This is the fall of the sari. They are good, They're good for casual wear, and you can. आज तो हम पहन के जाओ party में, and you have to wear it confidently. Look at this. This falls like this. Now I'm spreading the sari and showing. This comes like this. The pleated portion has this type of effect. Make the pleats like this, and we have this.
Sonali, so elegant.
ভীষণ সুন্দর. এগুলো আমার খুব মানে করলেই চলে যায়. This is for 40 how much? 48 or 46? 4800, dear friends. And this stitch is called bullion stitch, which is heavily done up.
Bhattacharya is watching.
Thank you all of me, my dear, my lovely, my this thing, darlings. They're all younger to me. সব ছোট ছোট. আচ্ছা আরেকটা দেখিয়ে দিই এটা. This is on a tussar, which is better than that. To softer quality. Arektu. They are also soft, but this is a superior material. A little bit. No, this is the same material. 4950. 4950. Sometimes we are confused. Ye pure hai ya kya hai? This is again one material which is mixed up with dusra staple thing, and it is given a beautiful effect.
Kakuli Mondal is watching.
Acha, Kakuli. Good. And the color is peach. Kya soothing and very soft, soothing texture. Take a screenshot, dear friends. Whatever you have liked. Maybe you've missed this time, but it will come on recording. Aram se dekhiye, and you can pick up your choice. And here's the blouse piece with the sari.
Tanya, entire week we all are waiting for your life, ma'am.
Entire week. আর আজ তো আমি ভাবলাম আর করবো না. কেউ কমেন্ট না করলে কিচ্ছু করবো না. Why don't you share, Tanya?
Ananya Sen is watching. Shukla Nadi is watching. Kakuli Mondal is watching.
Kakuli Mondal. Good. And Ananya Sen. Good. You made my day. आज तो अच्छा लग रहा है. कभी कभी उदास हो जाती हूँ, पता नहीं लोग देख रहे हैं कि नहीं. Is it okay? This is a beautiful thing. Fatafat, take a screenshot and send me. Otherwise, you speak to me. If you're confused, speak to me. I'm not that a busy person. जो सारा दिन घूमती रहती हूँ. I can't. My legs are failing. 4950. 4950.
Tanya, ma'am already shared, but in YouTube it does not show.
Yeah, I know why. What is wrong? Maybe by digital media का जो strong है वो लोग मेरे को advise करो what to do. Why isn't it showing?
মামুনি দাস এইগুলো কি শাড়ি আমি ফার্স্ট টাইম লাইভে দেখছি আসামে আসবে কি শাড়ি
নিশ্চয়ই গলা ব্যথা. And these are all again those evergreen cottons. A few are made in my style, my design, my signature design. খুব একটা মাই করছি না. The karigars are giving the designs. Here কোথায় কি চলে যাচ্ছে, তাই it is like this. Look at this. Enjoy the color, dear friends. This saree is costing 4,600. 4,600. 4,600. And this position, this is the one. When the saree is draped properly, you will find out that what we have tried to give the saree effect. এদিকটাও কিন্তু পুরো করা রয়েছে. This is for, I'm giving you for 4,600, dear friends.
Tanya, according to YouTube, in live share is not shown according to the company's name.
I see. আচ্ছা. But it is Facebook live তো হয় না. আসে?
Facebook live
share হয়? আচ্ছা. Then it's thank you so much. You're so concerned. You helped me out. I am also relieved. Sometimes I get confused. এত effort करती हूँ फिर भी क्यों नहीं? Look at this. Mine is only organic,
Watching.
शर्मिष्ठा আসনি অনেকদিন. Lot of my complaints to my dear जो है, देखो look at this saree.
আন্টি তো নিজেই খুব সুন্দর, এখনো তুলনা নেই.
হ্যাঁ,
মামুনি দাস.
মামুনি আসতে হবে, অত বকর করো না আর. চলে এসো. শাড়ি সুন্দর বলো তো? শাড়িও তো ভালো দেখাচ্ছি. সুন্দরটা তো আমাদের নিজেদের হাতে নয়. কে যে কি করছে, কার চোখে কোনটা ভালো লাগছে, তোমাদের চোখগুলোই তো সুন্দর. নিজেরা এসো, তখন বুঝবো. কথা বলো আমার সামনে এসো. Look at this. Look at this. What a beauty. And this is like this. This is the one. What a color. Dhoni khali taat again. সুন্দর. আস্তে আস্তে পড়ুন, একটু যত্ন করে পড়ুন. যত্ন is very important term, I'm telling you. Care for your sarees. All going for 4,600. 4,600. And that's all. আর দেখাবো না আজকে. That's enough for me. More than enough. I've shown you. And let me be over now. এখন আর নয়. And I'm waiting for your response, dear friends. Thank you so much. Love you all. Love you all. Stay well. Stay blessed.